What's up, guys? This is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Heartland North Trail 21 RBSS. This is a nice little small intimate trailer that we got going here. It's super beautiful and really nice. Let's go and check out this pass-through storage we got on the side. It's lots and lots of space there. Got a little cameo from our buddy Corey right there. We also got this awning right here, which covers basically a majority of the rig here, yeah? Then you also got your really nice speakers on the outside. It's also got the LED lights on the outside, so you can enjoy it while you're in the dark. Let's go inside of the rig. Got our solid steps here. To your left, you immediately get to access your kitchen, your refrigerator, that is, and freezer. So right off the bat, you got space right there, which is really quite nice. You also have some storage right here, and it does have some adjustable shelving as well, so you can tailor it to how you would really like, as well as some space on the bottom there. You also got some controls right here on the right hand side, which is really beautiful and easy to access there. Coming on into the rig, really nice space. I like this. You got your love seat here, which does turn into a sleeping space, that is. And you got a king-size bed. Usually with this small of a rig, you don't see a lot of king-size beds here, but we got one just for you. Okay, you also got some storage on the top there, as well as on the side here. And you got your lights, and then you also have some USB ports and electrical outlets on the side. So you can have it for your CPAP machines or electrical chargers and whatnot. As you can see, this is a place for a TV to be mounted right here with an HDMI cord and a radio right there, as well as an electrical output with an antenna connection there. Nice place in the kitchen here. You got ample storage for whatever you need. You also got an oven, the 3-burner stove cooktop, as well as the Greystone microwave right there. Okay, I love how everything's just kind of central. It's just all right here, all of the kitchen. Then you also have your sink right here, really one big huge sink with storage on the top and as well as the bottom. Super beautiful, really nice and easy to get to. Everything's just right here. Let's also take a look at this bathroom that we got here. Go ahead and take a look. I like these light colors they got going on in here. Nice walk-in shower. You got storage on the sides there. Then you also got the sink and the toilet. Just super, super beautiful. So guys, if this is something that really interests you, feel free to go ahead and give me a call. My name is Kyle. My phone number is 541-799-8794. Love to help you out, and thanks for watching.